Nanette, don't. Oh my God. Nanette, please. Come on. River, what are you doing in the bed? Give me some sugar. What are you doing? You pretty boy. Sort of. Where's Merlin Monami? He's over there. There's Merlin Monami. Merlin. Merlin, don't you laugh at me? Give me some sugar. Love you so much. Oh, sugar in the morning. Oh, Nanette, don't be ugly. Don't start, not now. Come over here. Come on. Got something on your face. Come on. Come here. Come over here. Nanette, come here. Come over here. Making a really weird video. Come over here. There you go. Come on. No, don't eat the camera. It's very awkward. Come on. Get up here. Yeah, see Bubba coming over to... Oh, hit him on the head there. Get in the bed. There you go. Get in the bed. Oh, I'm sure Merlin's going to love that. Give Merlin some love. Yeah. Big love. Oh, my. That's just lovely, isn't it? Ooh. No. Put your tail down. Not happy? Oh. I know, his butt is so... Oh my God, I wish I could back up to get this. He's half on the bed. Merlin is unhappy. Rigger, what's Bubba doing? Rigger. Uh-oh. Y'all are like horses in the back. Uh-oh. Oh, my God. He's so huge. Uh-huh. Did you figure out where I was? What are you two boobies doing? Nothing. And then you, Pup, you're so black I can't see you. So black, puppy. There's Lua. 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 See if you can see Pup. Put on the floor. There's Pup. Puppy. You know, I'm sleeping and you're disturbing me, Mom. Uh-oh. And there's the baby. It's a baby. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? The baby. Where's the baby? I wonder where Lucian is. Where's Lucian? No one knows. Okay. I think I hear him into something. Say nighty-night. Say nighty-night, Mom.